I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 15. I can't believe we're already on bin 15. Where has the time gone? We're starting off with some numbers so we could make a clock to track this crazy time. We've got some peel and stick adhesive. All right, pretty cool. Some grid board, interesting. Grid board, poster board with a pre-printed grid that magically disappears. Oh, that's kind of cool. Also, it says Publix. There's a Publix sticker on there that says 75 cents. That looks pretty old. Pretty old if you ask me. There's some clear sheets here, maybe some more acetate. Aww, and the prettiest journal. This is my color. This is literally my color scheme. My favorite colors are pink and blue, and it matches so perfectly. I think that's going to have to go in my collection of journals. Let's see if there's anything written in it. Probably not. Probably not. No. Oh, wait, hold on. It has like a calendar on top, but like not really. There's not a year. It has the month, and then you can circle the day. So maybe that's like to help you just, like if I circled like April 8th, like I would know that was the day instead of having to handwrite it. That's kind of cute. That would come in pretty handy. Definitely think that's going in the keep pile. Got a little hole punch and a whole branch of lemons. Wait, that's actually really cute. Is that not adorable? Look at that. Here is some Creatology glitter in white. Very pretty. Oh, we have some plates or some platforms. These are used for die cutting and embossing machines, which I just made a video on how to use them if you want to check that out. I don't know exactly which machine this is for. It's a bit smaller than the Big Shot that I use, although it should probably fit as well. But if we have a machine in the shop that this will fit, I'll take it there and attach it, because we do get a lot of die cutting machines and they're often missing the plates and platforms. So this is great. We have a little Santa headband. I think one of our staff members is going to like this. She likes to dress up for the holidays, so that will be cute. She got some really cute headbands for us for Binny, our mascot's first birthday. And then here are some really cute wooden buttons. Let me see if I can pull a few of these out. Those are so pretty. How cute. We have another one of these really cute clear containers, and this one looks like it's full of glitter. I don't see a label, but here is some Martha Stewart coarse glitter. Some clear and gold in the salt and pepper shaker. That's actually really clever. Why didn't I ever think of that? Some more white. It looks like these are very neutral colors in here. We've got a lot of whites and golds. I know that the Martha Stewart glitter can get pretty pricey, so that's kind of a good find. There's even a glitter acrylic paint and some Craft Twinkles brush on glitter paint. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. It's like a lime green color. More flakes. I'm gonna get in trouble opening all these flakes. This one says mica and glitter mix. That looks pretty cool. Some more glitter. Smoky quartz. Actually, you could probably see these better if I go like this. There you go. Smoky quartz. Say that 5 times fast. Some Deco Art glamour dust. One's a little bit harder to see, but it's like just a really pretty white shimmer. Some confetti sparkles. That is really cute. They've got kind of like a pink iridescence to them. And a sugar coating metallic aluminum glitter. Also very pretty, very nice color, very shiny. By the way, if you're new to this series, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. And I recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. She's moving in with family to be closer to them and sadly had to give up everything. She did keep a few things though. I believe like a bookshelf worth. So she's not going to be without anything. However, 99.9% of her supplies came here. So I'm going to pick the stuff that I want for my classes, projects, and to use to make videos. And the rest will be sold in our shop. So if you're local to Tampa Bay, Florida, you can come visit us in person. Otherwise, you can shop our eBay. Both are linked in our website, which you can find at bottomofthebin.com. There is some cute little ribbon in here. Nice and orange and yellow. And this looks like it's, I'm not going to open it. It looks like it's some sort of soap or wax, perhaps. There are some really pretty paintbrushes. Pretty? Why did I say pretty? They're just paintbrushes. Some sort of like fake snow. There is a bag of sprays and misters. And a bunch more notebooks, it looks like. This says it's a coloring book for adults filled with uplifting scripture verses for creative relaxation and blissful reflection on the word. Take a break from the everyday hustle and bustle to find encouragement and peace of mind. Be still and know. That's kind of cool. Let's see what exactly is in here. Oh, it says to, from, and date, so it makes a nice gift. Ooh, look at the pretty tree. Wait, this is a really nice coloring book. Wow, what a lovely gift this would make. That one says, sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done marvelous things. Psalm 98:1. Wow, okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see what these other ones are. This is, it looks like the same thing, uplifting scripture verses. Wow, okay, that's cool. Someone's going to be very, very happy to find these. Again, such a wonderful gift. Let me see if I can do like a little flip through here. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Wow, there's literally a whole collection of these. God works for the good. And, oh, I didn't know this was a verse. She is clothed with strength and dignity. I actually, let me do a flip through first. I can't talk and flip at the same time. Oh, that's beautiful. I actually have a painting on my wall that one of my good friends got for me. It says, I'm trying to think of the exact words, but it says like she is clothed with strength and dignity, and she fears not. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. Okay, I had to look it up. She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. So it is a Bible verse. I had no idea all this time. It literally sits above my bed, and a friend sent it to me because basically, like, I went through this whole sort of like mental health journey where I was trying to like overcome anxiety and a few other things. And one of the things that I ultimately decided was that like the main thing that I feared was kind of irrelevant, because my biggest fear was like the unknown, right? Not knowing what's going to happen in the future. That's what caused a lot of my anxiety, trying to replay, scenarios of what might happen based on, what has happened in the past. And so ultimately I was like, well, what would be the solution to that, right? And the only real solution to that would be to know the future, right? To know everything that's going to happen to you. That way you can plan for it accordingly, and that would get rid of the anxiety. But the more I thought about it, that sounds absolutely awful. I don't want to know what's going to happen. That would take all the joy and fun and adventure out of life if you knew the future. So that's why she sent me that. And now that I know that there's a stronger meaning behind that, that's really, really cool. We've got a big glitter ornament that's pretty cute. And then another container full of little bottles. I wonder if these were used for alcohol ink or glitter or something like that. I know we talked about alcohol ink a lot in the last video. But yeah, they've got like really fine tips and a little funnel so that you can fill them. Interesting. Let me know if you have ideas of what you would use this for. And that container is really cute as well. All right, we've got a bowl with some Tic Tacs, not sponsored, some acrylic white paint from Folk Art, gold string, an eyelid concealer wipe. Okay, some of the stuff isn't craft supplies. This is probably just stuff that was on her desk. Although I don't know what this little metal thing is. There's pins attached to the bottom, so I'll be careful. Metallic powder from Friendly. That looks pretty neat. A little stamping block and some diamond painting dots. We also have a little small metal lantern. Bob? Are you telling me you're ready for Christmas? What are you doing in there? That does make a nice little Bob home, though. Let's let him rest. All right, there's some red and green paper. It wouldn't be a bin from this lady without some Christmas stuff, right? Another random mister. We've got some letters here. 2, 9, 5, and 9. Of course, I'm holding them backwards. Glossy Accents by Ranger. Oh, does this work like the pearl drops do? I have a little glossy accent one I use sometimes when I don't want color. Some personal notes. If I find anything personal, I'm setting it aside, by the way, so that we can let her know and see if she wants any of it back. Here's some Elizabeth Craft Designs clear-sided double tape. Very fun. Another random jar with some sort of liquid in there. A little glass cup with Q-tips, probably also for the alcohol inks, I would imagine. And here is a little raised tray. Not sure if this is anything in particular or just a cute little tray. Oh wait, there's something on here. Oh, a cabinet shelf. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Actually, that might be nice in one of the cubes behind me. I don't need it, but that would be a nice thing to just have some stuff displayed on top and underneath it. I'm not quite sure what these are, if anyone has any ideas. Oh, there's some shiny ribbon. Another one of these cute containers. I'm gonna have a whole collection of containers. Ooh, you guys know I like the shinies. Let's see what's in here. There's some pink, blue, and green. Pink, beige, and black. 3 white ones. And some silver beads. And this green polka dot mesh. There's also 2 little containers that say Wow Embossing Glitter in silver and copper. Can you hear the sirens outside? Oh my gosh, speaking of which, let me tell you about my crazy morning. So I got up early to run some errands, and the first thing I did was I went to Dunkin' Donuts, and there was a super huge line at the drive-thru, like abnormally long. So I went inside instead, and the lady who was trying to help me, she kept getting my order wrong, like 3 times in a row. She kept getting it wrong. And she was like, wait, I'm sorry. What did you say? What did you ask for? And so finally, she fixed it. But right before that happened, I realized why she was so frazzled, because one of the employees came back inside and they were just fighting and screaming with another lady there. Like they were both staff members and they were having like a screaming match. It was really scary. A lot of the other employees were trying to like de-escalate it and calm them down. I can understand why the cashier was just super frazzled and couldn't concentrate. They were threatening to quit. They were threatening to call management. I still don't know exactly what happened, but it was kind of wild. And the lady who was ringing me out literally said, I'm about to quit, jump in your car with you and have you give me a ride home. And I was like, I will if you want to. But I reminded her, you know, it's okay to take a minute, take a breath, calm down. And she did. And she said, thank you. So hopefully things got settled there. I don't know how to make this close again. Oh, there we go. And then when I left there, I went to Walmart to run some more errands. Ooh, unicorn pigment ink. That's kind of pretty. I ran some more errands at Walmart. And on my way out, when I was walking to my car, I saw 2 vehicles both backing up at the same time, and they were literally about to hit each other. And I just saw it in slow motion and tried to stop them, try to say, hey, stop, but I was too late. They did bump into each other. Luckily, it wasn't a bad accident. Like as soon as the other car realized the other one was there, they just like lightly tapped and pulled back into their spots. But that was a really close call. And then right before I got to work, I saw a guy on a bicycle and he was carrying his laundry behind him. This is Aileen's True Snow. That's interesting. And and it looked like his bag had broken open and there were like bed sheets and laundry just flying across the street. It was 3 lanes of traffic on both sides. Nobody was slowing down or stopping to try to help him. Everybody was just running it over. And I was on the very far lane, so I couldn't even stop or turn around and try to help. So it was a very, very chaotic morning. Usually I'm the one with a series of bad luck, but this morning I just witnessed an entire series of bad luck, and it just reminded me to really appreciate my day. This says water and bleach. Anytime I find anything like this, I'm going to toss it just in case. We don't want to end up selling anything toxic. But yeah, that is your reminder to, you know, appreciate your day, because someone always has it worse. These little stickers say at AOL.com. Interesting. We also have a license plate. Don't worry, it's not a real one. It's just decorative. And it says Cape Cod from Ben Franklin. Ben Franklin? Must be a store I don't know about. There's some little red mesh underneath here. Another candle holder. We found a lot of these little candle holders. Some hot pink Post-it notes. I was going to try to flip through them. That's not working. I have some metal letters in here. There's a 0, a 3. I wonder if these were for like a mailbox or something. Not sure what this is. It's like foam, but it's kind of rough. This is just a little pad of paper clipped together with this super cute heart clip. A random brown bow. This must have been stuff like towards the end that was just sitting on her desk that we kind of threw in here. I don't know what that is. It looks like it was cut from fabric. Some more random pieces of paper, a feather, and what is this? Oh, okay. So this little candle holder just has some random stuff in here, including some little cookie cutters. But this is interesting. This is Yupo translucent. So is this a sample page, or are these are just tiny little notebooks? There's 2 of them. It says with a translucent finish, these slick sheets are an excellent beginning point for a variety of mediums, remaining true to all the Yupo revolutionary qualities. The substrate allows artists to rethink coloring from a fresh perspective. This is Yupo translucent. That's really cool. You all were telling me about the Yupo paper, how it's used for like alcohol inks and things like that. So I'm keeping that one and I'm going to experiment with it. I'll probably do a video on it. So let me know if you want to see, but hopefully I am now a fan of Yupo paper. Which, by the way, you guys have been doing a great job of helping me in the comments. Thank you so much, everyone who's commenting, saying that they enjoy the series. They love seeing the unbinnings, that they, and they give like tips on things that I'm finding, letting me know what stuff is and what it's used for. That's super helpful and super appreciated. And I'm so excited that you guys are just as excited as I am to open these bins. So don't forget to subscribe or follow, depending on what platform you're on, so that you don't miss the next unbinning. Don't forget, we have 50 bins total. In fact, I kept saying I think there was under 50 bins, but I looked today and I think there's over 50 bins. So we've got a long, long journey still ahead of us.